This video will show you how to delete friends on Overwatch 2. To do so, open your Overwatch 2 game. After you do that, from this page, click on the Social tab on the left-hand side corner or at the top right-hand corner. This will then open up your Friends tab. Now, from the friend list, select the player you'd like to delete. Find the player and give them a left click. In the pop-up, click on Remove Friend, and with a simple click, you'll be able to delete a friend on Overwatch 2. That is how easy it is to delete a friend on Overwatch 2 with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.